Got him. That's a good one. Keep him out of the crap. Come on. Stay out of there. Stay out of there. Stay out of there. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good fish. Hang on. Keep this thing high so it doesn't go in this weed bed. I don't know how good it is yet. Over here. Oh my goodness, Jace. He's nice. It feels nice. He just flipped his tail up. Good brown.
Dude, that's a big one.
Coming at you. That's a hog.
Oh
that's a football, man.
Holy cow. That's a nice fish.
Whew, jeez.
It's the biggest one we've got here in a while.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice brown. Goodness. Alright. We're gonna have to keep him. He swallowed the hook, but solid brown. Probably 18 incher, 19 incher maybe. Should be good eating. Little guy, Jace. What do we got? Rainbow? Cutthroat? No. Oh, come on, man.
What the heck?
It's either a whitefish or a sucker.
Holy crap.
Jeez.
I've never seen that here before. It's a whitefish.
Zeke and I caught one before. One time before.
Oh.
Yeah, whitefish.
What the heck?
Nasty, bro. No, we'll just... I don't care. We'll just throw them back. Might as well.
Ow.
Doesn't matter, it's a whitefish, dude. There's like none in here anyway. There he is, big whitefish. There he goes. Yikes, man. Oh.
Ugh.
Stink. Chase is on. Okay, keep him out of the weeds, as best you can. Keep that rod tip high. You're gonna want to go to your right, more likely. Keep out of the way. Okay. Keep going to your right. Banking. You're good. Watch your line. Nice work.
He's super bright.
Pretty brown. Good brown. Solid. That's gonna do it for us today. 3 fish, but 2 really quality browns, and this wind is just too annoying for us to be here anymore, so we're gonna head out. Thanks for watching, guys.